I don't think.
Do you have to use? Yeah, you have. You got 12. You said one game. What? Read it again, but.
Okay, read the whole thing.
Yeah.
Alright. At a table tennis tournament, 2 games went on for a total of 32 minutes. One game took 12 minutes longer than the other. How long did it take?
One game took. Okay, well, okay. Listen to what you said.
Take to complete.
How many games was it now? How many games was it? Well, listen to what you said. Read what you said.
2 games. There was 2 games.
You said you had 2 games.
Right.
2 games.
Mhm.
One of them was 12 minutes longer than the other one. That what you said?
Right. So we have to add kind of on this one.
One
'Cause
game took 12
both games-
minutes.
Yep. So the second one took 44 minutes
Wait a minute.
because I added 12 to 32 because the second game took longer. So
Wait a minute. You had 2 games.
yeah, 2 games.
Mm-hmm. There was a total of how many minutes?
32.
32 minutes. 2 of them was 32 minutes for 2 games.
Very good.
Okay.
One game
Some green
took
in
12 minutes longer than the other.
Write one of them down if you want it like say, if you want it like this to me. You got 2 of them.
Right.
X is 1. X is the 1. And the other is X plus 12.
Right. X plus 12.
Write X down. 1X
X.
plus another X plus 12. X plus 12.
X plus 12.
No, that's one game right there. One is 12 longer than the other one.
Yeah, right.
Well, you add to 12 to this one, and that makes one of them. Put a parenthesis around this one.
Put a what?
Well, I just do it like this. See, this is the longest one here. This is the X, took X minutes. We don't know how long that was. Took X minutes plus 12. That's the long game. 12 minutes longer than the other one.
Right.
Now you add another X right here. Is that right?
Right.
You got 1X plus another X plus 12. You understand that? You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, now you got 1X plus 12 and another X. Well, you put the first one where it said one game is is 12 minutes longer. This is the long game right here.
Okay.
That's the one I put in the parentheses.
Great.
So that's the long one there. This is one of them. Now you can take that parenthesis off, but you can add these 2 X's together, can't you? How many X's is that?
And you said each X represents 1?
Yeah, no, this X plus this X would be how many X's?
2 X's.
2 X's. Okay. So the 2 X's plus what?
2 X's plus 12.
2 X's plus 12, and how much it equals to?
32.
Okay, we'll put right out there 2X plus 12 equals 32.
Up here?
Somewhere. Well, you want to write it.
I'm going to write it.
You got this one game that's 12 minutes longer. That's X plus 12.
No, you mean X times 12.
No, plus. You said 12. Did you say it took 12 minutes longer?
Yeah.
Well, if it's 12 longer, you just add it. So 12 longer. So this is the longest one right here. X plus 12 is the longest one.
Right.
And then this other x is the other one.
Right.
So you write them two down. That's x plus 12 plus another x.
Oh.
And said equals 32. Write that one out there. Equals, right? You got x plus 12 plus x equals 32.
But I don't think my teacher will understand it. I don't think my teacher will understand it.
Wait a minute. Now your teacher will understand it. Wait a minute now.
She will?
Yeah, equals 32.
Alright.
Isn't that right? This is one game, which is what?
Is,
That's the longest one is what? The 12 minutes longer than the first one.
right.
So that's x plus 12.
Yep.
And this is the other x here. That's short one here. So actually, if you add all these x's on this side, and the whole thing is 32.
Right.
So if you add the x's together, how many x's you have? X plus, put the x.
You will have two X's.
Two x's, 2x plus 12.
Write it down.
32. 2x.
Alright.
That's
Two
a-
X.
2x. 2 in front of the x.
Alright. 2 in front of the X.
Plus
Okay, plus what? 12.
Plus 12. Mom, do you understand it?
equals 32.
Equals what? 32. Now let's see how do we find out that. We keep two x's on this side by themselves. We take the what? 12 away from each side and see how much it is. We subtract 12 from each one of them. 12 from this side and 12 from that one.
So under 32, put minus 12.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, good.
And under 12, the other 12, put minus 12.
Right, well, okay.
Right? Yeah.
On this side, put your equal sign down here. Now, you can draw the line across here. You're going to
Your line gonna go all the way across.
all the way across.
You can solve the whole problem.
Now, you might write it out better. Now, you got to subtract you can subtract this 12 from this one and subtract 12 from this one
Okay.
and see what you have left on each side of the equal sign.
Okay, now for 12 minus 12 you have 0.
0, okay.
But 0, 0 or just 0?
So if you can bring the plus down here.
You gotta bring this whole thing down.
Bring the 2x
2x
plus
plus.
Alright.
0. And bring it equals. Wait a minute, that's a 0 we already got.
You already got the 0 down there. Don't write it again.
You don't write it on, you don't
You just
subtract
bringing
12.
down the part that you didn't subtract.
Got it.
Okay.
2x plus 0.
You don't subtract these, and you got 12 from this one. Now you subtract 12 from over here and see what that is.
That is that is 20.
20. Bring your equal sign down now.
Put your equal first. Go right up under where the equal sign is.
Alright. Equals 20.
Okay. Now this 2x plus 0 is really just 2x. 2x equals 20.
So you can scratch that 0 out.
You can take the 0 off.
Or erase it.
Well, erase it. Okay, I'm sorry.
I don't know which one is better, Granddaddy.
But
You might be
you-
right.
You got the equal, it's still right. Now you really said 2x is 20.
I can't believe those children do that.
2x equals 20. How much would 1x be?
10.
10. So then that first one would be 10. And this one would have been
Show them how to
10.
get that. Show them how to get that 10, though, Granddaddy.
Okay, how you do by
If
by
right.
2.
Alright.
2 into 2x give you x, right? X right here.
X right here.
Hold on. You probably don't remember this part, Granddaddy.
You're recording.
What's it? I'm tired. Come on. I don't
Okay. No, it's still going. Draw a line right
draw a
here.
line there.
Okay.
A short line up under the 2x.
Alright.
Okay, hold on. Put a 2 up under it. Draw a line up under here and put a 2 up under. So now you're going to bring down what you got left. 2x divided by 2 only leaves you with what?
the x. So bring
The
the
two
x
cancel
down
out.
here. X equals
Put X.
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 You don't have anything else left right here because the x is gone.
Put
Bring your
equals
equal sign down. Equals
and divide.
20 divided by.
20 divided by 2 is 10.
So put this down.
That's the way you answer.
You know what?
Yeah, well, I'm sorry. What?
Oh my
Am I in the way?
Brian.
Come back, Granddaddy, come back.
Am I in the way?
No, come on back. Granddaddy, come back.
No, I'm not.
Oh, I thought you spoke.
I'm just thinking about that. Those children don't need to be doing that. And what grade?
Third.
Well, I don't know.
No. That's too soon.
So what's the answer, Carter? Read your problem one more time.
Okay, at a tennis table tournament, 2 games went on for a total of 32 minutes. One game took 12 minutes longer than the other. How long did it take to complete each game?
So-
Use letters to represent the unknowns. Solve the problem.
So, you let
And so the answer is 10. 10 what though? So how long did each game take?
One game took 12 minutes, but the other one, that one took 44 minutes.
You solved for it.
Oh, the other one took 10 minutes.
One took 10 minutes.
No,
And
one took 12 minutes.
one took 12 minutes longer than the
yeah.
other. So what's 12 minutes longer than 10?
12 minutes longer than 10. Now that would be 22.
So one game took 10 minutes. The second game took
12. 22 minutes.
because both games together took how many minutes?
32.
10 plus 12 is what?
10 plus 12. 10 plus 12.
Write it down if you can't think of it
10
in.
plus 12 is 22. It can be 32, actually.
Right. So I messed you up. One game took 10. The next game took how long?
The next game took 12. And you add that up and you get 22.
That's not right.
wait a minute. What you say?
Okay, so Carter.
Go ahead.
Right.
So at the end, when you solved your problem,
Right.
x equals 10.
Yeah.
X equals the short or the long game.
The X equals the short game.
So then over here, you're going to write short game, 10 minutes.
Got it. $20 minutes?
Short game is 10 minutes.
yeah,
You,
10 minutes.
that's what your X is.
Short game, 10 minutes.
Why did you just ask me that when we just said it?
Get out of the way.
Long game is how long?
The long game is 32.
Nope, that's both of them together.
It's right here. The x plus
Oh.
the 12.
12 more than your short game, Carter.
Yeah, so that's 22. Yeah. So long game 22 minutes.
22 minutes. Now that's how we did algebra back in the day, not this Common Core stuff.
Yeah, but do you think
That's coming from Granddaddy. How long did you teach algebra? How many years?
How many years do I teach you?
How many years, Mom?
About 30.
About 30 years.
Oh my gosh.
All righty. That's your challenge question.